Hey y'all, it's Kylie. I'm gonna make my last blended coffee of the day. My cup's a little bit dirty because I've been using it all day. Now I am using the rest of my shake. Normally I put way more ice in there. Y'all, I ran out of ice today because I've mainly been drinking iced coffee. Most folks probably would have ran out of coffee. I ran out of ice. I made a full pot. That's how much I have left. Y'all ask me how much coffee I drink. A lot. I drink a lot of coffee, and that's okay. And there you go. This one's gonna have less ice. I've been taking it easy today because I've got a busy weekend. I've got a busy week next week, and then my friend's coming to town. So overall, just like a busy couple weeks. So I have been taking it easy. My hair is washed and brushed. I just have like crazy hair sometimes. But y'all, iced coffee is the way to my heart. It really is. Also, I love how pink my nails are right now. I know I'm cheesy, y'all, but pink nails make me happy too. So, 10 out of 10. Recommend this little magic bullet thing. 20 bucks. $20 of happiness, y'all. 20 bucks of happiness, and I love it. And it's super simple to use. I love y'all.